And it is not my intention to stop any progress because I issued the rental agreement. So therefore, that is a sign that I'm promoting entrepreneurship. It's something that I strongly believe in. However, we have to do things correct. And I cannot allow somebody that is how to put it, that has broken the rules on several occasions, so a repeat offender, so to speak, to continue to break the rules, because then it won't make sense for the permits department who are busy doing their work and evaluating permits, and you have people that are genuinely following up and waiting for their permits. Another point that is very important for the general public for me to mention is that even persons that have a building permit, it has an expiration date on it, and it's very important to check it out so that you could know that your permit has expired. So you can't have a permit from 2010 or 11 and then come and use it in this day and age. Not saying that that was a situation here, but I see it happening a lot, and persons send a lot of requests, so I just wanted to clarify that for the general public. Another point is once a permit is issued and public in the National Gazette, there's a period of which anybody within the community can appeal it. And if you build within that period without waiting for the period to elapse, then you will also be building and executing at your own risk. So those are just two very important points that I want for the general public to take note of and pay attention to. We are also working on different ways and means to continue to be efficient. I don't believe in being stagnant, and those will be brought forth as soon as possible.